Too much chlorine or bromine in your hot tub can mean corroding hot tub parts or skin irritation.
Oh.
But don't worry, lowering your sanitizer levels in your hot tub is easy. All it takes is knowing a little water chemistry. Check it out. First, how do you know if there's too much chlorine in your hot tub? Have you noticed a strong chemical smell coming from your hot tub, or do your eyes burn after using it? Actually, it may not be too much chlorine. These are common signs of chloramines or bromamines, the chemicals left behind after your sanitizer attacks contaminants. Chloramines or bromamines typically means your hot tub needs more sanitizer, not less. The most accurate way to know if you have too much chlorine or bromine in your hot tub is to test your water. You want to figure out how much active sanitizer is in your water. This is known as free chlorine. When it's used to kill contaminants, that portion is called combined chlorine, and that's where the chloramines and the smell come from. When you add free and combined chlorine together, you get total chlorine. And if your total chlorine is high but your free chlorine is low, you actually need to add sanitizer to your hot tub. So how much sanitizer do you actually need? If you use chlorine in your hot tub, you'll want to keep the levels between 1 and 3 parts per million, with 3 parts per million being ideal. If you use bromine, you want to keep it between 3 and 5 parts per million, with 5 parts per million being ideal. Okay, so now you know the ideal levels for your sanitizer, and you've tested the water, and you've confirmed that you have too much sanitizer. So here's how to lower your hot tub chlorine or bromine. Bringing down your chlorine or bromine levels is a really simple problem to solve. Step number 1 is do nothing. No, we're not kidding. If your sanitizer levels are a bit too high, just stop adding new doses of chlorine or bromine to your hot tub. And if you have a chlorinator that adds sanitizer, just turn it off or remove it from your spa altogether. Step number 2, do more of nothing. Yes, that's right. Just give it a day or two. The sanitizer levels will naturally decrease and probably quickly. Just stay out of the hot tub during this time. And after a couple of days, test your water again. If the sanitizer levels are still high, now it's time to take action. Step 3, open your hot tub. Completely remove your spa cover. This allows significantly more water and sanitizer to evaporate. And it decreases your chlorine and bromine levels and your water level. Step number 4, dilute your water. After your water level has dropped a couple of inches, top off your spa with fresh filtered water. Let it circulate and then test it again. If you didn't lose enough from water evaporation, remove some water manually. And if the water has been in your hot tub for 2 or 3 months, it's time to drain and clean your hot tub anyway. Also, if you've been having lots of water chemistry issues, that's another sign that it's time to drain and clean. Be sure to check out our other video all about draining and cleaning your spa. Now, what if you can't wait for the water to evaporate? Well, you can use a hot tub water additive called a neutralizer, which reduces free and available chlorine and bromine in your water. But we recommend using neutralizer only if you're in a pinch. Neutralizer will continue to destroy chlorine or bromine until the neutralizer is completely used up. It's easy to use too much, which leaves your hot tub without enough working sanitizer. So finally, how do you keep chlorine and bromine levels steady in the future? Well, sticking to a water care plan for your hot tub is the single most important thing you can do. So run and clean your filter regularly, sanitize and shock your spa at least once a week, and test your water. And if you want a step-by-step guide on keeping your hot tub clean and clear year-round, check out our hot tub care video course. You'll get in-depth video lessons plus a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything that you need to know about hot tub maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your hot tub clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of hot tub. The best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. That's swimuniversity.com/spa and use the promo code VIDEO. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know and to help out your fellow hot tub owners. Hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about hot tub maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And check out the hot tub handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/spa. Don't forget to enter that promo code VIDEO to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again and happy soaking.